To another video. It's me, David here, and yesterday our house was flooded. Got some towels to make a dryer, and someone came to help us dry it up. So like the floor is probably anyways. I'm trying to. It makes it dry faster, but look at this. This is from the roof. Oh, like literally. Oh my god. Our house was like the side of my hand, like this tall, that tall. And the water stopped. The water stopped right here, like a little bit over, and it was wet here, and there was water there and there and there. No water here at the shoe place, but it was crazy. It started like when we went at Manchester at Pan Asia, and yeah, it's insane. That's literally my computer, bro. How am I gonna play Roblox now? I'll play it on my phone. It has the same account. That's the same account. It has the same Roblox account on my phone. Okay. Well, that's the end of the video. I will tell you the progress tomorrow. And peace.